shiny and bright. Like apples and fire trucks racing in sight. Ladybugs crawl on my round curvy line. Can you clap for red? 1, 2, 3, that's fine. B is for blue, splashy and cool. Like oceans and birds singing cool after pool. Bubbles float up from my wavy design. Stomp for blue